The euro pulled back from its highest level in 2 weeks against the dollar on Tuesday, as investors locked in profits ahead of key Eurozone inflation data this week, and also amid broad strength in the greenback. Let's check out the latest exchange rates. The euro last traded at around $1.1023 after touching $1.1063 earlier in the session, which was its highest level since April 22nd. The common currency is still up more than 6% so far this year, bolstered by the European Central Bank's ECB hawkish shift and hopes for a resolution to the Russia-Ukraine war. But it has lost about 0.5% in the past 2 days, as some investors took profits ahead of Friday, as Eurozone inflation data. Market participants are awaiting the release of April's inflation data, which could influence the ECB's monetary policy decisions at its upcoming meeting on May 4th. A strong inflation print could increase the likelihood of a larger rate hike by the ECB, while a weak print could lead to a more dovish policy. The market currently expects a 25 basis point rate hike from the ECB next week, according to the data from the ECB's forward guidance tool. Meanwhile, the dollar index, which measures the value of the dollar against a basket of 6 currencies, rose to its highest level in over 2 months on Tuesday, boosted by upbeat U.S. jobs data on Monday that reinforced expectations for further interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve this year. As a result, the euro's upward momentum seems to be running out of steam for now. Traders are also reducing their long euro positions ahead of the ECB meeting, according to the latest data from the derivatives market. The euro's implied volatility, which measures the amount of volatility expected in the currency pair over the next 30 days, has also declined in the past few days, indicating that the market is becoming less volatile and more certain about the ECB's future actions. Overall, the euro's near-term outlook remains uncertain as investors digest the latest economic data and position themselves for the ECB's upcoming meeting. Some analysts expect the euro to resume its uptrend if inflation data comes in as expected and the ECB signals further tightening. However, others believe that the euro could face downward pressure if inflation data disappoints and the ECB takes a more cautious approach.